Year 7 rewards trip. Guys, what have we enjoyed the most?
Harry Potter. Everything. The gift shop. Everything.
I'm looking forward to being sorted into next to Mouse because I don't want to know whether I'm Gryffindor, Ravenclaw or
Are you excited?
Yes.
Pleased to be here?
Yes.
Yeah? What do you think of the dragon?
It looks so cool.
What are you looking forward to the most?
The gift shop and the food.
And what are you looking forward to the most?
Probably the gift shop and looking at like the display.
And why are you on this trip today?
Because I'm red.
I am looking forward to the train.
Oh my god, it's a train!
Do you have a particular reason why?
Because it's really big and it's really nice.
Why are you on this trip?
Because I drove the minibus. Guys, are you pleased to be here?
Yeah.
Enjoying it?
I'm really grateful.
Trey, what have you thought so far?
Absolutely brilliant.
You really enjoying it?
Absolutely.
Happy you've come?
Exactly.
Was it worth all the hard work and reading?
Yes.
Good. Girls, what do we think?
It's great.
Angela?
Brilliant.
Good?
Yeah.
Angela? Yes? How do you feel that we're getting close to the spider?
Excited. It's scary.
Miss, are you excited?
I love Bobby. It's very beautiful.
Hello, Chi. How are you feeling?
Good and happy.
Excited to be here? Was all the English reading paying off?
It was hard, but at least I got it.
Exactly.
I
And
can't
it's a
believe
big
we just get
reward,
to
yes?
visit Harry Potter Studios because we read our book.
So we have Harley, Chinese first butterbeer.
You've got a little farm mustache.
What do you think?
9 out of 10, pretty good. Pretty nice.
Pretty nice.
How is it? How is it?
That's lovely, that is. Yeah, it's really nice.
So basically, the dragon comes out at you.
What would you say to anyone who's in next year's Year 7 about coming here?
Have a great time. Get a chocolate frog. Have a great time.
Just get your mum to sign it.
Read
That's
your
too hard
books
work.
to get here.
Yes. How did you get picked to go on this trip?
By
So,
by being
would you
sensible.
recommend everyone to do their reading homework every single week?
Yes!
Yes.